Assalamualaikum class. Good morning. How are you all? All of you are fine? Good. How was your yesterday? It was good? Okay. Now, playgroup student, today the date is 18 December 2020 and the day is Friday. What date is today? Today is 18 December 2020 and the day is Friday. Today we are going to do the art activity making New Year card for my class. Okay, with the help of chart paper. आज मैं आपको chart paper से New Year card बनाना बताऊंगी. Okay, now we are going to start the activity with the help of chart paper. What is the color of this chart paper? Purple. What is the color of this chart paper? Purple. Okay, now let's start our activity. First, I am going to cut the flower that I have to paste on this card. Okay. सबसे पहले मैं फ्लावर्स कट करने लगी हूँ. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Card is ready. Happy New Year. It's for my playgroup class. Kids, do you like it? I hope you like it, okay? It's for my playgroup student. Happy New Year card. Okay class, if you like the activity, send me the message.